Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can pair Bluetooth speakers to your Roku TV. So for this example, I'm going to be using my Vizio soundbar. I can do that by turning it on and then holding down the Bluetooth pairing button for a handful of seconds. And each Bluetooth speaker is going to be a little bit different in how you put it into pairing mode, but essentially once you're in that Bluetooth pairing mode, then what you need to do on your Roku TV is go down to the settings. And then we want to go over and down to where it says remotes and devices. And then we want to go over and down to the area where it says wireless headphones. Unless you're pairing a Roku specific device, then you would pair it in the speakers area, but this is a Vizio soundbar, so I'm going to be doing it in the wireless headphones area. And it might sound a little bit counterintuitive because they're not headphones, but as long as you're in Bluetooth pairing mode, it should work. So we're going to click OK on where it says add new Bluetooth headphones. And it'll take a little bit of time for it to search for your Bluetooth speakers. And I'd say it took about 20 seconds or so, and it found my Vizio soundbar, so I can click OK on that. And now it's connecting up to my Vizio soundbar. You can see the soundbar is still in pairing mode, but once it officially pairs to the TV, then it's no longer in pairing mode, and I can see that I'm all done and it is set up and ready to go. So now the sound is coming through my Vizio soundbar, and again, guys, you're able to do this by going down to settings and in remote and devices. If they're Roku speakers, you should be able to pair them in the speakers area. Otherwise, you can set them up in the wireless headphones, and that's where we should be able to set up our Bluetooth speakers with our Roku TV. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.